17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. In fact, what I was just counting here is this. It exactly took me 31 steps to where I am. And what's all this thing about? It is the Redhill MRT, really at the core of the central location. And if I just take another 3 more steps, which I'm going to show you, you are going to be at the edge of the most exciting project that is going to come soon. Follow me and I will show you the actual site. In fact, right now I'm exactly beneath the railway track and I'm able to touch almost the MRT edge and as well as the edge of the site that we are talking about so much is Atra. Lifestyle uncompromised, and it is the art piece collection, and I would say it simply because of this is something unique, a mixed development which comprises of retail commercial space and as well as the residential component of about 400 units. The land parcel almost attached and situated to the Redhill MRT station because it comes with full facilities of any condominium with tennis court, swimming pool, club facilities and everything encompassing, including a supermarket, childcare. Therefore, not only we are talking from an investment angle in the long term, but living life to the fullest. And the key aspect that in any investment we will have to consider here is this. Well, our investment in terms of property cycles, do you get a tenant? And what's important here is when you look at Atra, we are talking about a 5 minutes drive to Orchard Road, and Tanglin Road is just behind many of the embassies, and 4 stops to Raffles Place, and you know that is the city center of the commercial hub in Singapore, and again only 3 stops to One North, which is Buona Vista, another IT hub. Why these are important? Because at the end of the day, you must just understand who is going to rent a place when you invest in Atra. And that's why we need a complete strong workforce. And some of the other exciting thing about investing in a region that is central here is this. In terms of a good market and a period, the chances of a capital appreciation is always much higher. Some of the units even come with private lift lobbies. That how, in terms of the design, the developers have put into consideration. Atra is going to be exciting not only for lifestyle and family stay, even from an investment angle in terms of rental yield and capital appreciation in the long term. This is a piece of site that not commonly available in Singapore. Therefore, speak to any of our PropNex salespeople and try to understand the unique layout, design, and as well as convenience and the rental yield before making a decision. With that, wish you all the best in your investment journey, and I'm very confident our salespeople will be able to guide you and help you through that investment.